Hello guys, welcome to Intraday Spikes Traveler. This is Udayanan and this is my Telegram channel. Let us see the stocks which has been selected for 11th April trade. Okay, these are the three stocks which I have been selected for 11th April intraday: Havels, Vsoft and IGL. So at 9:59 a.m. when you see here, I know this candle is the next candle will cross 496.05. So at 9:59 a.m. I gave a call that to buy above 496.05 with a stop loss and targets, target 1 and 2. So this is the screenshot which I have took post this trade. So when you see here, this is the Telegram channel which I posted at 9:59 a.m. and 10 a.m. with the levels as buy above 496.05. See here, this is the yellow line which I marked is a 496.05. You can verify in your app. So this is the yellow line which I marked 496.05, which has been triggered at immediately next candle. Okay, it's a fourth candle. Okay, so once it got triggered, you see with the same candle it has been achieved the first target. So that is the pink line which I marked, the first pink line. So the next pink line is the target 2. Okay, 501.4. 501.4 I have marked it. So see guys, within the 4 candles, it means 1 hour. Within an hour, we have achieved the target from 496.05 to 501.4. Okay, so this is how our prediction should be. And when you see the stop loss has been marked as 492.7, 492.7 it's never touched once it got triggered. So once we reach the target, you see the level of consolidations over the yellow line where we made a buy target, and it keep consolidates over there. Maybe it may even move higher beyond our targets, it seems. But we have to exit on our target. Whatever the target we fix, we have to exit. Okay, all these stop losses, buy trigger and the target levels are with the calculations only. It's not just like that I have made it, and it's nothing like previous day high. So that levels and all, it's not been marked. It is purely like with some mathematical calculations only. Okay, so if you do like, please give me a like, do subscribe, and wait for much more videos like this. Thank you.